Alright, well, here we are. Repainted frame, 1983 185S. Forks were repainted by Kelly's Paint Store and Bucyrus. Brand new Honda NOS axle. That was a lot of money and it was hard to find, but I got it. New bearings, everything was, the rear housing I repainted myself, and that's good. I got the seat latch back attached on there. I got a whole bunch of parts. These are parts that need cleaned and refinished. These are all new parts. And these are just ones that are ready to go. So down here is my favorite piece. I want to get it out if I can. There we go, look at this. Amazing repainted gas tank, also done by Kelly's. The inside I still have yet to clean. Probably should have did that before I sent it over to paint, but it's okay. I'll take my time with it. There's a dent on this side. He redid that. Only 225 bucks. And this gas tank was off of an 84 200S, and it's compatible with what I'm using it for, so got that going for it. I did the rear housing adjustments and axle installation yesterday, and over here I got some parts in the parts cleaner. Got the seat latch, skid plate, and the front motor mount brackets, the little two black pieces. So that's where I'm at now. The motor's repainted, and I just need a few more things, and we'll be assembling a brand new 1983 185S. Stay tuned.